This short video will take you through how to book train tickets on Trainline. Once on the login screen, enter your email address. Then enter your password. You will initially be provided a password by email that you will need to use, and then this will need to be changed to a password of your choice. See the separate Changing Your Password user video for guidance. Click Login. Enter where you would like to travel from. You will notice as you type the name of the location you want to travel from, a drop-down will appear with relevant options. Select the one that you want. Enter where you would like to travel to. Again, you will notice as you type the name of the location you want to travel to, a drop-down will appear with relevant options. Select the one that you want. Enter the date you would like to travel out. This will default to today's date. You will notice you also have two shortcut options to enter today or tomorrow's date. Clicking on either will automatically enter the relevant date. Otherwise, click in the date box and a calendar will appear, enabling you to pick any date. To narrow your search down, you can then select from two travel time options. The drop-down will enable you to pick from two options: leave after, arrive before. Once you have selected one of these options, then enter a relevant time using the hour and minute drop-downs. If you are only requiring a one-way ticket, select the one-way tick box. You will then need to select whether you would like an open return ticket. This should be selected when you are not sure of the date you will be returning. Then enter the return date. You will notice you have two shortcut options to enter same day or next day. Clicking on either will automatically enter the relevant date. Otherwise, click in the return date box to reveal a calendar to select a date of your choosing. To narrow your search down, you can then select from two travel time options. The drop-down will enable you to pick from two options: leave after, arrive before. Once you have selected one of these options, then enter a relevant time using the hour and minute drop-downs. Select the number of adults and children travelling. If you or the traveller you are booking for has a rail card that could be used to reduce the cost of travel, click the rail cards option. Clicking this option will then present a drop-down with the types of rail cards listed. Select the relevant one. Then select the number of rail cards of this type. To add the rail card, click Add Rail Card. This will then give the option to add a different type of rail card if you are making a booking for more than one traveller who holds a type of rail card. In this instance, the traveller does not have a rail card. Click Get Times and Tickets. All ticket options will be displayed that are relevant to the search criteria you entered. For both the out and return options, you are able to select the earlier and/or later buttons to show you more options. In the top table, you will see information for purchasing single tickets for outbound and return. The following information will also be displayed: departure time, arrival time, duration of the journey, and number of changes. If there are changes, you can click on the number of changes. A new screen will pop up that provides you with the information about the changes. Under the calling points link, you will also be able to view the stations that the train will be stopping at. In the table at the bottom of the screen, you will see other available options for return tickets, with one overall price for outbound and return. You should select the most suitable ticket option for your journey, ensuring you note any restrictions on travel times. Once selected, click on the Continue button. The Travel Options screen will then be displayed. Enter your surname, or if you are booking for someone else, their surname, and click Search. You will see a number of Anchor Hanover colleagues listed who have the same surname as the one entered. Select the relevant person from the list. You will then need to select lead passenger against the traveller who will be receiving the tickets. If there is only one traveller, this still needs to be selected. You may then see other options on this screen to add tickets for other linked travel, such as the Underground if booking to travel to London, or bus tickets. You can then click Add another journey if you are making more than one booking. If this is the only journey, click Continue. If there is enough time before you are travelling, you will be provided with two options to receive your tickets. The first, self-service ticket machine. If your journey is in the next few days, this will be your only option. You should note that you will need a payment card in the traveller's name and your collection reference to enable you to pick tickets up from a station of your choosing. Payment will not be taken from your personal card, as the booking will be made on the Anchor Hanover account. Your card is needed purely to identify you as the traveller. If you select this option, you will need to select the station you would like to collect the tickets from, although this will default to your outbound station for the journey you are booking. Your other option is First Class Post. If there is enough time before you travel, you will be able to choose to have your tickets posted to your home or office address. If you select this option, you will see fields to enter the address that you would like your tickets posted to. Note that this will default to the Anchor Hanover Bradford office address and will need to be changed if this is not suitable for you. Enter the postcode and click Search. Then select the address from those listed, or if only one option is available, this will automatically complete. Click Continue. A summary of your booking will be displayed. Review and check that all the details are showing correctly, and then click Proceed to Payment. On the next screen, enter your payroll number. This will be your 4-digit payroll number that is shown on your ID badge. Enter the relevant cost centre, preceded by 4 zeros, for the cost of the travel to be allocated to. You do not need to enter a project code. Click Continue. The payment details screen will then be displayed. You will need to review the email addresses for confirmation purposes. If you would like another person to receive confirmation, you will need to click on the Add Recipient button and add in the additional email address in the field provided. Once you are happy, click Buy Tickets. You will then see confirmation that the booking has successfully been processed. Your booking reference number will be shown at the top of the screen, which you will need if you have selected to pick your tickets up from the self-service machine. You will also be able to print this screen if you would like. However, email confirmation will also be sent to the traveller and any additional recipients you added. You have now successfully booked train tickets via Trainline.